With a few ingredients, make a quick and easy lasagna. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. Today we're going to make a lasagna. We need 11 ingredients. We need a pound of ground beef, an onion, a jar of spaghetti sauce, 2 small containers of ricotta cheese, a box of oven-ready lasagna noodles, a pound of shredded mozzarella cheese, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of parsley, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a tablespoon of oregano. We're going to need to prepare some of the items on the stove, and we will also be baking the lasagna in the oven. The first thing you need to do is chop up your onion. Do the same with the garlic. Put a little bit of oil in the frying pan, heat up the oil, and then add the onions and garlic. Cook for about 5 minutes, stir it occasionally, watch for the garlic and onions to caramelize. Now add the ground beef and brown it. Add a little bit of spaghetti sauce to the frying pan and then add the Italian seasoning and oregano. Remove our pan from the heat. Now is a good time to preheat the oven for 350. Take the baking pan and put some nonstick spray on it, then add a little bit of spaghetti sauce on the bottom and spread it around. Take the lasagna noodles and put them on top of the spaghetti sauce. Take some of the ground beef mixture, spread it over the noodles. Now spoon the ricotta cheese on top of the beef mixture and spread it out evenly. Now take some mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it on top of the ricotta. And finally, we'll put sauce on top of the cheese. Now repeat the process by adding the noodles, the meat, the 2 cheeses, and sauce. Now for the top layer of the lasagna. We're going to put down noodles to cover everything. We're going to add some sauce, some mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and some parsley. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil. Put it in the oven for 1 hour. After the lasagna is done baking, we will take it out of the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Here's the final product. It looks and tastes great. This is a great thing you can make for your family and have leftovers afterwards. If this was of value to you, please share, like, and subscribe. At the end of this video, I have a list of all the ingredients you would need to make this recipe. Thanks for watching.